Hi guys, my name is Tyler. I'm in the sales department here at Rydell Chevrolet, and I just wanted to tell you about this really cool find that we just got. So this is a 2003 Silverado 3/4 ton, 6-liter gas, 4-wheel drive, and it's just a blast from the past. I mean, it's a brand new 2003. Come here, I want to show you the thing that I am just boggled by. So this truck has never been undercoated or rust-proof. And get in here, Zach, take a look at how clean that frame is. I mean, there's not a speck of rust on that thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. The flares are perfect. Underneath the flares, there's no rust. And it's just a gorgeous truck. Take a look at this interior. I mean, it's like a brand new 2003. The interior is flawless. It still has that real fine grain on the steering wheel from like that you would find on a brand new truck. 64,000 miles. Truck's never seen the salt, never seen the snow, and hardly seen the rain. The bed is, it's got a carpeted bed. It's never hauled really any sort of a nasty load. We didn't even have this truck detailed. We just pulled it right in. I just wanted to show everybody just how clean and well cared for of a unit this is. I mean, the guy had so much attention to detail. He even did a 3M tape on the bed rail to make sure that the tonneau cover didn't rub off any of the paint. Look at these wheels too. You know, if you're a GM guy, you know these wheels over time, they start to get really pitted and kind of gross. And I mean, those wheels, the chrome on there, it's just perfect. It's like brand new. I just can't get over how nice this truck is. So we've got this down here at Rydell Chevrolet. The truck does come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile comprehensive bumper-to-bumper warranty, as well as a full 5-day return policy and a 30-day exchange policy. This truck could be yours today for $21,582.